good evening. It's Vikram here, Chief Architect and founder or co-founder with Bluebricks Technology. Today we are going to show you a very quick demo of how IntelliCollate template can be created and it can be used. So let me quickly get started. So first and foremost, what I would like to show to you is that, okay, let's log out. So this is my dashboard. I'm coming in. And after I come in, there's an option called IntelliOCR, under which is where we have the option of creating the new template. So I'm going over there, and this is where I have to upload the file. So what I'll do is before that is I will go in and I will remove any other previous templates that are there in the system. So you can come in and you can select, and then these are the two. So I will just remove them. And yeah, okay. Oops, I am not sure if I clicked it too many times. Yeah. Okay, so there is no more templates that are available in the system. Yeah, and now we will go and create a new one. Now what I would like to highlight to you is that we'll take two examples. The first one is where we have this particular file. So if you look at the file, you will see is that we have the first row where we have all the master headers, which is what we call it in our term, is that headers, and then below that are the synonyms that can be used. So let's say for example you have date of birth, which could also be DOB, or there could be employee number, which could be also employee ID, or address could be location, and and so on. So now this is the file that I'll take and I'll process it. So I'm coming over here, quickly picking up this file. Oops, sorry. I think yeah, I have to. I think I didn't open it. Okay, sorry. So select file. Yeah. Okay. Come in. Open. Then I say upload. So the file gets uploaded. And once it is uploaded, then I can give a name. So I'll just say test sample file or test sample master. Yeah. Process. Now okay, now this is the beautiful part, is that the file is being processed, and what you could see over here has been quickly taken up by the system, and it has filled up as headers, and then whatever were the synonyms that has been filled over here, and then now you can choose that which fields are mandatory or not mandatory, and then whether they are supposed to be a date or format type. So which is where I would say that if it's okay, so let's just look at date of birth, and in date of birth I am putting as number, yeah, or sorry, date. So that will be, I'll make it as DDYY, sorry, MMYY, yeah. Okay, so what I've done essentially is that I've told that the format which I want is in this particular format when it comes as a final output, and then there are these two new features that are also coming in, which is mask the data or encrypt the data. This essentially is there because if let's say you want to protect the email ID or phone number or credit card or any kind of sensitive information, then that can be by default masked or encrypted when the data processing is happening under IntelliCollate. Yeah. So what I'll do is if okay, let's just say this is it, and then I will just say create template. Yeah. So the template gets successfully created, and over here I will come in and I will just show you that this template is marked over here. So now I have a real, so that's the sample which is being created. This is the particular ID that will be under investigation. Now what I'll do is I'll take a little bit more difficult file and I'll create it for something which is with the live data, or something which is good synthetic data that we have. Yeah. Now I'm going ahead, I'm picking up the file, then I am opening it, and then again I will just give a name. So I'll just say the test good file or good master, good template. Yeah. Process. Yeah, fantastic. So as you would see that this particular file has a lot of columns. So this is typically what an insurance company will have. and then again you can create master, mandatory or not mandatory, what kind of data set they have and all that. What I'll do is that we are not really going to look at the data processing right now, and we will straight away allow the system to take the information that is needed. Yeah, so let's say in this case I'll just specify that these are dates, so these are dates, and then proceed ahead. Yeah, so again you can do wonderful stuff with it. I'm not going into micro, but I'm just sharing that what all is available. So I'll just create a template. With a single click it's done, and now I will just go and see in the list, copy the particular template ID which is being created. So this is the one which is created. So this is the template ID. Now why do I need this template ID? So this is needed for the system which is going to call and push the bulk files. So this particular template ID will inform our system that the collation or the cleansing has to be done specific to this particular template that we have created. Yeah, so what I've already got the sample data over here. So these are the 6 files that I'm going to cleanse or merge, and now I am telling the system that please use this template ID for collating or merging or doing I would say the cleansing, right? Cleansing and collation. So I'll go ahead, I'll just move myself. Yeah, okay, and I will just run it. So this is the template ID that gets consumed. Yeah, okay, so this will process the data. It will basically pick up the information which we have mandated over there, and then based on that it will come in. So okay, I'm just asking my colleague to check what went wrong. Yeah. So again, in this dashboard there are many other features which are available, from the different type of reports that can come in, and also the whole administration part of how you look at the different channels, operators, units, and many other things. And this also is able to send different type of messages out. So over here is where the Intelli is coming in. So let's just see. Yeah, okay, I think it took a bit of time, but let's run it again just for us to be sure. So I'm running it again, and I should get the output. I think it's yeah, okay, cool. So now this is the file that is being generated, which is collation of all these files that have been uploaded, and all these files have been cleansed and merged, that is collated, based on this particular template that is being created in the system. So you can have different type of templates, different types of collation, different type of cleansing based on how you want it. And the beautiful thing is that because it is a web service, so web service allows you to have flexibility in terms of integration. So you can decide what you want, and once you get the link of this particular file, which is the response pack, then you can use it or consume it in whatever way you want. So this is where it is, and now I'm downloading the file. Yeah, so this was very quickly to show you what we have in the demo, which was essentially defining the meta tags, then doing the testing, and then also the reports part which is coming in. Yeah, so thank you so much for this quick demo, and I hope you saw the value in what we are trying to bring in IntelliCollate. Yeah, thank you, have a great day.